Hi, I'm Sean Sullivan, and welcome to the new year of savings here at Lakeland Ford, home of the lifetime nationwide warranty, unlimited miles and unlimited years, and 1 year of free maintenance. And let's get started with some great specials. Okay, 2018 Ford F-150 you can lease this vehicle for $299 a month or purchase it for $19,999. Next up, the 2018 Ford Focus. We can lease it for $99 a month or buy for $10,495. Next up, the 2018 Ford Mustang. You can lease it for $199 a month or you can buy it for $19,999. Next up, the 2017 F-250 4x4 STX. You can purchase this vehicle for $42,999. Next up, 2017 Explorers. You can lease them for $199 a month or you can purchase it for $25,500. That's right, 2017 third row seat Explorers, $25,500. Next up, 2018 Ford Fusion. You can lease this vehicle for $149 a month or you can purchase it for $16,999 while supplies last. Next up, 2017 Ford Escape. You can lease it for $159 a month or drive away at $16,999 on a purchase. Next up, the 2017 Ford Edge SE. You can lease it for $209 a month or you can drive away at $20,999. And don't forget, we don't just have a lifetime warranty on these vehicles. We have lifetime window tint. We also do nitrogen for life, for as long as you own the car. We do an interior and exterior environmental protection package. You just bring it into your salesman and we'll have it cleaned for you within that first year for free. I look forward to seeing you and giving you these great deals.